Hey there, Facebook users. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to enable Ask Every Time microphone access permissions in the Facebook app. By doing so, you can have full control over when and how your microphone is accessed. So, let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store. Once you're there, type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then hit the Install button. Once the app is downloaded, open it and sign into your account. Step 2. On the Facebook app home screen, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on it to reveal the side menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to expand the options. Step 4. Within the expanded menu, continue scrolling down until you reach the Your Activity section. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 5. Now within the Your Activity section, tap on Device Permissions. Step 6. Among the listed permissions, locate and tap on Microphone. Step 7. You'll see an option to update the settings. Tap on it. Step 8. This will open your device settings specifically for app permissions. Scroll down until you find App Permissions and tap on it. Step 9. Among the listed app permissions, search for Microphone and tap on it. Step 10. Finally, you'll see a few options related to microphone access. To enable Ask Every Time microphone access permissions, tap on Ask Every Time. Fantastic! You've successfully enabled Ask Every Time microphone access permissions in the Facebook app. Now, you have complete control over when the app can access your microphone. That wraps up our complete guide on how to enable Ask Every Time microphone access permissions in the Facebook app. It's crucial to protect your privacy and have control over your microphone usage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.